thank you all for joining me again. And today I'm reviewing the Horizon Hobby Circuit Stadium truck. It is two-wheel drive and it is a 1/10 scale car. And the package says that everything has come ready to run and everything is included. It is fully upgradable. It has waterproof electronics and it comes with the 1800 nickel metal hydride battery. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I've already assembled this car, and this is basically the inner workings. So you just have your speed control, motor, receiver, steering, and the battery. It just comes with the standard speed pack 1800 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. And so, let's see it ready to run. I'm assembling the car right here. So you just clamp the battery in place, plug this in, and that's all there is to it. Let's put the cover on. We have the clips. I'm only using 2 because I just don't find it necessary to use 3. But if I was like in a competition or anything, then I would most definitely use 4. And so, as I turn on the receiver. Let's see how it does on a straight run. We start here. Now this is just to give you a little scale. This is just the standard street. And there's a drone flying overhead. I don't know if you can see that. There's somebody's drone. And so here we go. So it has pretty good handling to make really quick turns. Proportional steering, so you don't have to turn all the way right. You can turn fully and slowly go over that stuff. So I like that about it. And keep in mind, this car is fully upgradable. You can upgrade it to a LiPo battery, and also you can upgrade it to a Taser motor. Alright, thank you. Join me again.